Last episode, Beau said he was nervous about today's lesson. I've been thinking about it all week.
It's going to be fine, Beau.
You don't know that.
Welcome back to Pups Teaching Pups. I'm Bono, and today we are tackling stay.
Which is basically sit, but harder.
Exactly right, Beau.
I don't like it.
So why do we teach stay? Because stay keeps your puppy safe. If the front door opens, if you're near a road, if there's something dangerous nearby, stay means your puppy stops and waits for you no matter what. Stay is basically your puppy's pause button.
I don't have a pause button.
We've noticed.
But I'm going to get one. Today. Right now. I'm very focused. Starting now.
Here's what you need. Number 1, your puppy.
Still here. Very still. Extremely still.
Number 2, treats. Same tiny pea-sized ones from last episode.
Oh, I remember treats.
And number 3, patience. Even more than last time.
He's looking at me when he says that.
I absolutely am. Okay, step 1. Ask your puppy to sit first. Stay always starts from sit. Watch.
Sit. I know this one. I'm basically a professional.
Step 2. Hold your hand out flat like a stop sign and say stay in a calm, clear voice. Step 3. Take just 1 step back. Not 10 steps. Not across the room. 1 step. Stay.
I'm staying. This is me staying. This is what staying looks like.
You're half standing.
I'm staying in a standing direction.
Step 4. If your puppy holds the stay, even for just 2 or 3 seconds, go back to them. Give the treat and celebrate. You go back to the puppy. Don't call them to you. That teaches come not stay.
I stayed. Did you see that? I stayed.
You stayed for approximately 1 second.
1 whole second. That's huge for me.
It actually is. Good boy, Beau. Step 5. Practice makes perfect. Start with 1 second, then 2 seconds, then 3. Build it up slowly over days and weeks. Don't rush it. A couple of things not to do. First, don't ask your puppy to stay for too long too soon. 1 second is a win. Don't go straight to a minute.
A minute is basically forever.
Second, don't repeat the word stay over and over. Say it once clearly. If you keep saying stay, 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 your puppy learns that stay means nothing.
Stay, 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 stay.
Beau.
Sorry, I was testing it.
Third, if your puppy breaks the stay, don't get frustrated. Just calmly ask them to sit and start again. Every puppy breaks stay at first.
Every single one?
Every single one.
Oh, thank goodness.
Recap time. To teach your puppy to stay, start from sit, hand signal and say stay. Take 1 step back, return and treat immediately, and build up slowly.
I can confirm step 4 works extremely well.
Practice a little every day, and your puppy will have a rock-solid stay before you know it.
My stay is currently more of a suggestion.
It's a work in progress.
A beautiful work in progress.
That's it for today's episode of Pups Teaching Pups. Did your puppy learn to stay? Tell us in the comments.
I am currently staying. Right now. Look at me. I am completely still.
Next episode, we're learning come, which means your puppy runs straight to you when you call their name.
Oh, I'm great at come. Coming is basically running, and I love running.
Finally, an episode where Beau has a natural advantage.
I've been waiting for this moment my entire life.
See you next time. Woof!
See you next time. Woof!